Hey guys, this is Voxside and this will be a short video tutorial on how you can edit this template and everything else you may need to know in order to use this project. So the very first thing you will need is a logo. I have mine prepared over here. So you can really easily import any logo or image just by drag and dropping your logo into the project window like so in After Effects. Give it a second and you can see now it's loaded inside this project window. You can also double click this window right over here and then you can navigate towards your destination, your file path, and then just import the logo like this, clicking open right over here, and it's the same thing. Now that you have your logo imported, you can go over to your logo holder composition over here. You can also access this composition by double clicking this composition over here in the project window. So if you double click this, it will open up this composition right over here. And inside this composition, now you will have to drag and drop your new logo inside the composition like so. You can delete the logo that's already there. And now with this logo, for example, you can rescale this and readjust as necessary. Maybe even center this a bit. And now when you go back to your main render, you should see your logo updating right over here like so. Just gonna cycle through some frames, and here you can see your logo, everything's working and you're ready to go. So now what's left is if you're satisfied with the colors, you can go ahead and just render it like that. If you want to change your colors, you can select this color layer right over here, and then if you go to effects controls, this layer will contain all the colors you can edit, you can change. So for example, I can change the color of this wolf by going over to the wolf color, selecting it, and then just selecting a different color. You can see it updating in the viewport. This is how it changes. And you can go over all these options, and each element will control something individual. So for example, let me just undo the wolf color. So for example, over in this frame you can see we have some nice trails going around the wolf. You can change the color of the trails by going to the trails color and then just readjusting the color over here. And for example, if I select a frame near the logo, you can see we can also change the color of the logo like so. So you can go over all these colors and see what each color controls. And so once you've done editing everything, you can go over to composition, pre-render, click this, and then you can set up some custom properties where it says custom AVI. I will suggest you use H264, and you can use a high profile, level 5.1, and you should increase the target bitrate over here, maybe something like 26 by 60, something like this. Don't forget to select audio output. Don't forget to check this option. Then you can hit OK, select your file name, and then press render, and you're done. Thanks for watching.